Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Easy Tips for Learners. There are some common usage problems when we read or we write or even speak. So today we will learn about some more common usage problems that we face. So you have to choose the correct expression to complete each sentence and rectify the usage problems. Dash me as you think best. The options will be advise or advice. What is the difference between the spelling? The first one will be advice. The latter will be advise. So what's the difference between the two advice? The first one is the noun form and the second one is the verb form. So which one would be the correct option here? The verb form. Advise me as you think best. Advise. Look at the next sentence. The patient dash malpractice by the surgeon. So what are the options given? Accuses or alleges. So what is the meaning of accuse? It is charging of an offense. What is allege? Allege means to claim or assert that someone has done the crime. So here in this sentence, the patient alleges malpractice by the surgeon. That would be right. Look at the next sentence. Carol was adversely dashed by the new law. The options are affected or affected. Which one would be right? Affect is different from affect, isn't it? Affect means impact here. Then what is affected? Affect means to suffer. So, Carol was adversely affected by the new law. He refuses to dash his limitations. The options are accept or accept. Someone here gives an offer, but he refuses to do it. So what would be the option? He refuses to accept his limitations. Look at the next example. Does anyone know where the fuse box dash? The options are is or is at. The answer would be, does anyone know where the fuse box is? It's wrong to use is at because the location is indicated by the word where. So there is no need to use at here. So the answer option would be is. Does anyone know where the fuse box is? A sign was strong dash the two posts. You have the options among or between. Here you are discussing about two posts. Among should be used for more than two. So here between is the right option. A sign was strong between the two posts. Look at the sentence. I was dash sorry to learn of his illness. The options are awfully or very. The answer would be, I was awfully sorry to learn of his illness. The usage of very is not correct in most of the places. So it should be, I was awfully sorry to learn of his illness. Dash swollen glands, I also had a sore throat. So the options are beside or besides. So here the option would be besides because it means in addition to. Besides swollen glands, that is in addition to swollen glands, I also had a bad sore throat. We dash everything possible to help them. So here in this sentence, we have the answer options done or have done. We have done everything possible to help them. Because here, done cannot be used without a be verb. So it should be have done. We have done everything possible to help them. I submitted an outline of the dash. The options are exam or examination. Exam commonly means test. examination might take the meaning of examining a person or anything. It also refers to writing tests. But most commonly, exam is preferred than examination. So here in this case, it would be, I submitted an outline of the exam. White bread dash have much nutritional value. So here in this context, white bread doesn't have much nutritional value will be the correct statement. Why did we choose doesn't instead of don't? Because don't is a contraction of do not, while doesn't is a contraction of does not, and they both act as auxiliary verbs. So, don't is used when speaking in the first and the second person. But here in this sentence, it sounds to be a third person. So, the contraction doesn't of does not will be much suitable here. Now look at this peculiar sentence. The three boys strengthened dash determination with encouraging words. The options are each other's or one another's. So which would be the correct usage? If we have two people, we can say each other's. If we have more than two people, then we need to say one another's. So here, the three boys strengthened one another's determination with encouraging words. Look at the next sentence. Report immediately to Miss Edwards in our dash department. The options are ad or advertising. Which is the right one? Report immediately to Miss Edwards in our advertising department. So advertising, you have to give it in full form. Stay tuned for some more common usage problems. Thank you.